Hello everyone, so welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how do you remove background in Photopea. So firstly, open Photopea. So go to your browser and then open a Photopea website. So once you are there, so now just load any photo that you want to remove the background. So you can just click and drag any photo into this workspace here. So I'm just using this photo here for demo purpose. So once you're done with that, then what you have to do here is you have the search option here, the find option. So click on it and search for magic. So when you search for magic, you'll see an option called magic cut. So click on magic cut. So once you click on magic cut, you will see this option here. So you will see a picture with the background removed, but it's not perfect. It's a bit messy. So what we're going to do now here is we're going to select the area that we want to keep. So you can like use this option to zoom in. All right, so you can zoom in and then you can select click on this green option here. So this highlight your green, use the green color to highlight all the object that you need. So yes, I mean the subject of your picture. So I'm going to keep this phone here, so I'm going to highlight this phone. So just click and drag this phone. All right, and you can do it more specifically. Like I'm just for demo purpose, I'm just doing it in a just a rough way. So I just want to keep this photo here, so I'm just selecting the area. All right, and then let me select everything. So just click and drag. All right, so here, this is my subject, this is what I want to keep. So that's it. So I have this phone now here, and now you go to remove the unwanted objects. So here, use the red color, click on red color, and then remove all the unwanted areas which you don't want, which you want to remove. So click on that. So for example, here I want to remove all these background here. So you just like, it's like coloring, so you just have to right click and drag and remove, select all the areas that you want to remove. So click on it and then like this. So color it. You can like do it, you can like zoom in more, and to if you want to make it to more precise, you can like zoom in and then select all those areas that you want to get rid of. So you can just select that. So once you're done with that, okay, so once you're done with that, so you will see here something like this. So as I said, mine is not perfect, but you can just make it perfect by making, you can by redefining the edges. You can zoom in and be more specific. So as you can see, the background is now removed, only the font, that's my subject, is this, and that's pretty much it is. And then what you can do, just click on OK, and then that's it. You can now save this picture, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.